Introducing our front side grill gap fillers for the Polaris Slingshot by ZSW. These side grills completely transform the front end of your slingshot while still allowing adequate air to pass through. The grills are available in a variety of different options to match your style. Each grill set includes all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. Start by masking off the area around where you'll be installing the new front grill fillers. Now test fit the grill to make sure it fits nicely, but not too tight and not too loose. If your grill vent is too tight or if it's got a big gap on top or bottom, you may want to loosen, but don't remove these front end bolts. This will allow you to maneuver the front lower wing section around so you get a perfect fit on the grill. You may also want to bend these tabs slightly to match the curves of your slingshot. Then once you have everything where you want it, tighten the 4 bolts back down to your factory torque specs. Now place the grill back into your desired position with the top part pushed all the way forward so that it sits flush and tucks behind the lower wing. And then using a marking pin, mark the bottom hole. And then carefully, without moving the grill, mark the top 2 holes for drilling. Next, you can take a 1/4 inch drill bit and drill out the 3 marks you just made. And then when you get to the top 2, you may want to place a block of wood or something on the other side of the hole so that you don't drill through any headlight wiring once you push through. Now peel away the masking tape and mount the grill starting with the longer bottom bolt first. Add a washer, then nut, and leave finger tight for now. Then you can add the top bolts, followed by a washer, and then top it off with the nut. Once you get all 3 in, you can go through and tighten them all down, making sure not to over tighten. And then just repeat that same process for the other side of the slingshot. As you can see, these grills look amazing once installed and are sure to set your sling apart from the pack. So if you're looking to grill it up, head on over to slingmods.com today to grab a set for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot.